Ever scrolled through social media and seen those sleek ads promising to make you an investing astronaut with just a few taps? Maybe you've heard whispers about Spaceship and wondered, is this some millennial ploy or a legit way to grow my money? Well, buckle up, future spacefarer, because today we're blasting off into the world of Spaceship investing and unraveling its mysteries. Now, Spaceship isn't literally launching you into space, although that would be pretty cool. It is a micro-investing app designed to make investing accessible, even if all you have is some couch cushion cash. But how exactly does it work? Is it too good to be true? Let's dive into the nitty-gritty and explore the ins and outs of Spaceship. Setting sail on the Spaceship, your investment journey begins. The first thing to understand is Spaceship isn't actually buying individual stocks for you. Instead, it uses a concept called managed funds. Imagine a big pot where everyone throws in their money. Spaceship then takes that pot and invests it in a pre-selected group of companies, spreading your risk across different industries. Think of it like a spaceship crew working together to navigate the vast financial cosmos. Spaceship offers a few different funds to choose from, each with a varying risk profile. The names are pretty fun: Origin, Universe, Earth, and even a master fund with a couple of sub-options. Each fund focuses on different areas of the stock market, so you can pick the one that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Fueling your Spaceship, investing with ease. One of the things that makes Spaceship so attractive is its ease of use. The app is super user-friendly, and you can literally start investing with just a few taps on your phone. There's no minimum amount to invest, so you can literally throw in your spare change if you want. They also allow you to set up automatic deposits, so investing becomes almost effortless. Just like setting your autopilot on a spaceship, you can sit back, relax, and watch your portfolio grow, hopefully. The Hitchhiker's Guide to Spaceship Fees: Understanding the Costs. Now, before you blast off into a spending spree, it's important to understand the fees involved. Spaceship does charge a small management fee, which covers the cost of running the platform and managing your investment. The good news is, these fees are pretty low, especially if you keep your investment amount small. There are also some additional fees for larger investments, so be sure to check their website for the specifics. Risks and rewards: the reality of space travel, investing. Here's the thing, there are no guarantees in investing. Just like any space mission, there's always a chance of things going wrong. The stock market can be volatile, and there's a possibility that you could lose money. However, by investing for the long term and choosing a diversified fund, you can help mitigate those risks. Is Spaceship right for you? Charting your course. So, is Spaceship the key to unlocking your financial future? Well, it depends. Spaceship is a great option for beginners who want a simple and affordable way to get started with investing. However, if you're a more experienced investor looking for more control over your portfolio, you might want to consider other options. Remember, always do your own research before investing any money. Understand your risk tolerance and investment goals. Spaceship is a tool, and like any tool, it's only as good as the person using it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.